Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel guys. For today's video, nandito ako guys sa bus station para maghintay ng sasakyan ng bus papuntang Bukit Panjang. Ayan, kung bakit ako punta doon dahil nag-chat sa akin yung amo ko, yung bossing ko, na pumunta doon for my birthday dinner. Ayan, may pa dinner surprise daw sila, pero hindi ko alam kung saan doon. Kaya dito ako sa bus station, naghintay ako ng bus number 979 daw, yun sasakyan ko, sabi ng amo ko. So ngayon guys, wala pa yung bus, still waiting si Inday. So ayan, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, at baka nang pwede pa share na rin. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Ayan guys, dahil wala pa po yung bus na hinihintay ko, ayan, nakasandal ako dito sa isang makisig na pader dito sa may bus station. Medyo walang tao, nag-isa ako dito, naghintay. Ayan, matagal-tagal dito maghintay ng bus guys, kasi yung mga bus dito, mahaba-haba pa yung ikutin nila, kung saan pa sila nagbababa ng pasahero. So wala, medyo maulanan ngayon as yung panahon. Ayan, medyo disperas kasi ng birthday ko ngayon guys, 27 ang pina-actual birthday ko. So yung amo ko, umalis na sila kanina pang umaga, at nga kanina tanghali, nag-text sila sa akin na pupunta daw ako ng Bukit Panjang dahil daw sa dinner. Ayan, ang nila sa akin pa birthday is ang dinner birthday ko daw. Ayan, doon daw kami magdi-dinner sa restaurant sa Bukit Panjang. So kaya nga ako pupunta ngayon. Ayan, dahil wala pa, nag-isa lang ako dito sa bus station. Ayan, solo ko ang bus station guys, tahimik. Ako lang nag-ingay dito. So ayan, medyo may nakita ako sumulpot na bus. So ayan, waiting na kasi Inday dito. Ayan na guys yung bus, ayan, coming na siya. Ayan po yung sasakyan ko puntang Bukit Panjang. Ayan po siya, ayan, naka-display si uncle. Nandito na ako sa loob ng bus guys. So kailangan pumusok ng bus kasi maraming tao. Baka magkawa mo, maraming tao din sa loob ng bus. So kailangan ko magsuot ng mask. Mari nakatayo ako ngayon guys kasi marami ng pasahero. Dito sa Singapore wala ditong gentleman. Ayan, si mamang driver lang yung nakaupo. Ayan, chika-chika. Ikot na doon. Dito na kayo sa Bukit Panjang. Ayan, medyo maulan guys. Ayan yung MRT ng Bukit Panjang. Makulimlim ang panahon. Ayan, dito po ngayon sa Hillion Mall. Ayan, mula po dito makita na po yung Hillion Mall. Ito po yung Hillion Mall guys. Ayan, so pasukin na natin ang Hillion Mall. First time ako dito sa loob ng Hillion Mall. Ayan, pag bungad mo sa first floor, ayan yung McDonald's. May Starbucks. Ayan, sabi ng amo ko doon na kami sa basement. Ayan yung basement sa ilalim. Yan ang basement. Mula makita ito, mayroon ng KFC naghihintay ang sa basement. Ayan, dito po ito sa loob ng Hillion Mall guys. First time ko dito kasi pinapunta ko ng amo ko dito. Dito daw mag-dinner. Nandito na ako guys sa sinasabi ng amo ko guys, dito sa Coon Grill by Collins. Ayan, dito sa likod ko, ayan, masarap ng ulam. Ayan, medyo napaaga natin ko, wala pa yung amo ko. Ayan po guys, ayan po yung place. Coon Grill by Collins Restaurant. Dito po ako pinapunta ng amo ko, pero masyado kumaaga, wala pa sila. So, wait ko muna. Baka gumagala ko pala sa mga tabi-tabi. Yan, sa likod ko, amoy na amoy ko yung masarap na foods. Maliit lang pala ito guys. Maliit lang space niya. Maliit na restaurant. Pero, napaka, Napakalinis niya. Ayan, may mga katabi siya ditong mga Unity. Ayan. At nagitnaan siya ng fair price. Ayan. At dito sa likod ko, ayan. Kaya pala naamoy ko yung masarap na food. Yan pala ang naamoy ko. Ayan, masarap. Punuan, walang bakante. Ayan, dito nakapila.
Then then like the big ones only lor.
Why so many?
1948 same age as daddy.
There are so many. I think one is older than daddy.
We'll buy a few ones already. Can or not, Kali?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I took the cake.
It's very hot now. Last one.
There's two more. Ooh, the hot eh.
Daddy eats it.
The candle thing you work.
Okay, let's see. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to
Hello?
I'm going to silence.
Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Let's photo. Auntie 我那个 mirror 我拍到我。好。Okay. Wait out. Smile. Wait out. Smile. Okay, nice.
You just contributed to global warming.
Just now, Toto was close his eyes. Okay,
Oh, okay. Put out together.
Okay, ready, one. Okay.
Cut go kasi wait. Wait. Tick. Wait, take photo. Wait, okay. Actually, you want to go out of the photo already? Okay, just look here. Pretend first. Okay. Then, candle.
But you don't just go to crash them.
Except you want to eat now?
You boys, you eat now?
Boys, you want to eat now, huh?
Just cut a little bit. I eat a little bit.
Keep in the fridge so we can eat it tomorrow.
You see, it's an egg, you know. You see the white color? It's a tip of an egg.
It's not. It's too small. It's too big for an egg. The egg is super small. But its color is equal big. Wait a minute. Aha, blue skin. That makes sense.
Cannot pick.
Cannot.
Because the strawberry, later I spoil the strawberry.
They'll send you a photo.
I want to eat soon.
This one, you eat this one. Because all melt already. This cream, fresh cream, just this Japanese brand. The cream very fast melt already.
I need to eat them. Probably like
melt very fast.
Yeah, very fast because it's a cream, fresh cream.
Hey!
Oh!
Then the cake, how? Actually, the box you need, huh? You need, throw the rubbish away, lah, huh?
This one I put in the inside the
Container.
container.
Then this one don't need already, huh? Enough already. Dear, do you want? You want, so maybe we eat tomorrow, lah, huh? For breakfast or
Smells very good.
Okay, come on, you know.
I put
So,
in the
yeah,
freezer.
you can put in the fridge first because gonna melt. We get a